Good day, students. Today in JSS 2 Basic Technology, we are learning about isometric drawing, a very useful technique for showing the three-dimensional shape of objects on a flat piece of paper. Isometric drawing is a method of drawing objects in 3 dimensions so that they appear solid and realistic, even though they are drawn on a flat surface. The word isometric comes from Greek words meaning equal measure. In an isometric drawing, the 3 axes, length, width, and height, are all drawn at equal angles to each other. Here is the key rule of isometric drawing: all vertical lines on the object are drawn vertically on paper. All horizontal lines on the object are drawn at 30 degrees to the horizontal, either 30 degrees to the left or 30 degrees to the right. This creates the impression of looking at a three-dimensional object from a slightly elevated angle. Let us compare isometric drawing with orthographic projection. In orthographic projection, we draw separate views, front, top, and side. In isometric drawing, we show all 3 dimensions in one single view. This makes isometric drawing easier for non-engineers to understand, because it looks more like the real object. To make isometric drawing easier, we use isometric paper or isometric grids. Isometric paper has a grid of lines arranged at 30 degrees, which helps you draw accurately without measuring angles every time. Now let us learn how to draw a simple rectangular block in isometric view. Step 1. Draw the front bottom edge of the block as a horizontal line. Step 2. From the left end of this line, draw a line going up and to the left at 30 degrees, this will be the left side of the block. Step 3. From the right end of the bottom line, draw a line going up and to the right at 30 degrees, this will be the right side. Step 4. Draw vertical lines upward from the ends of the bottom line to show the height. Step 5. Complete the top of the block by connecting the tops of the vertical lines with lines parallel to the bottom edges. For irregular shapes and objects with holes or cutouts, the principle is the same: all vertical features remain vertical, and all horizontal features are drawn at 30 degrees. Let us now look at some important rules to remember for isometric drawing. First rule: only lines parallel to the 3 isometric axes can be measured to true length. Diagonal lines and curves cannot be measured directly, they must be constructed using the box method. Second rule: circles and curves on isometric drawings become ellipses. To draw a circle in isometric view, you first draw the square in which the circle would fit, then draw an ellipse that touches all 4 sides of the isometric square. The box method is a very useful technique. When drawing a complex object in isometric view, first draw a rectangular box that would just enclose the whole object. Then add or remove parts from this box to get the final shape. This makes it much easier to keep your proportions correct. Isometric drawing is used widely in engineering, architecture, product design, and even video games. Many of the building and furniture diagrams you see in instruction manuals and catalogs use isometric drawing because it shows all 3 dimensions clearly. In Nigerian technical education, isometric drawing is an important skill tested in your basic technology examinations. Practice drawing everyday objects like chairs, tables, steps, and boxes in isometric view. Remember, precision matters. Use a ruler, set square, and 30-degree set square or isometric paper. Keep your lines clean and your angles accurate. With practice, isometric drawing becomes a natural skill that will serve you throughout your technical education and career.